I'm here to Makassar. My major is technical economics. And my friend,
Let me introduce myself. My name is Rahmat Rasul. You can call me Rasul. My major is technical level 1. I'm from Makassar.
where were you last night?
I was in my bedroom.
What were you doing at night?
I was watching movie.
Who watched the movie?
It was really good.
Was it scary?
Yes, it was really scary.
Nice. It was produced in your house last night.
No, it wasn't. It wasn't. There weren't many people. Where were you last night?
I was in my bedroom.
What were you doing at midnight?
I was watching the movie.
Was the movie?
It was really good.
What is scary?
Yes, it was really scary.
Nice. Was it crowded in your house last night?
No, it wasn't. There weren't many people.